I've never lied to you. Wilbur spoke first. I mean, Tommy began, that's not true. I've had so many people lie to me, including you. Wilbur shook his head. I've never lied to you. What about the pit? What about the stuff you said about Tubbo betraying us in L'Manberg? What about when you said no one would hurt Tubbo? Truly believed it was the truth. Does that make me a liar? Well, not exactly, but that's the difference between me and Schlapp. That's the difference between me and Phil, and that's the difference between me and Quackity. I have never lied to you, Tommy. I've been wrong, but I've never lied to you, Tommy. I won't lie to you. Do you trust me, Tommy? Because right now, I feel like you don't trust me. I trust you, Wilbur.